So we got the egg poacher, 4 of those that come in the egg poacher, and we have the egg boiler as well. So we have 6 in the egg boiler, and these are made out of a silicone. It came with one of these little brushes as well. Now you can put a bit of butter inside of them and melt it out a little bit, and you can like wipe it around and so the egg doesn't stick, even though they say that these are non-stick. Now with the brush, it came with the silicone egg boiler, and the small one, there's a smaller brush with the egg poacher which I left upstairs, but it's similar to this but just a little bit smaller. So these are the poachers and these are the boilers. Now how these ones are, lid comes off, and you know they can come off like that as well. If you wanted to take them off to wash them, there's no problems there. It's just a little bit difficult to get them back on because they double thread themselves. There you go. And that's it. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how to use them. So just make sure that you wash these first with warm water and soap before you use them. And they're both high temp resistance as well. You can put the butter or the spray oil in these as well so they don't stick. Even though they say they're non-stick, they do stick. So let's head out to the kitchen now and I'll show you how to use them. Okay, so here we go. I'm putting a little bit of butter inside so it doesn't stick to the egg. And then obviously you just put your eggs in. So these are the poachers. And put them in the boiling water and cover it. Now you can leave it for around 10 to 11 minutes. It'll give you like a medium, but I like it, I left it in for about 6 to 7 minutes because I like them a little bit more runny, as you can see. But if you want to make it harder, you just leave it in longer, so around 11 to 15 minutes. Now for the boiler, again, you cut some butter or oil, you can spray some oil into it and put them in and make sure it coats all the sides. And I like to put a little bit of cheese in these ones as well when you're hard boiling them. And again, I don't like really hard boiled eggs, I like them really runny, so you leave them in longer to get the really hard boiled, or take them out sooner to get the real runny eggs, which how I like it. Put them in, you can put a bit of salt and pepper in if you wanted to as well. Make sure you close the lids well so water doesn't get in. I like to do a shallow amount of water, and then take them out. Just be careful, they're pretty hot, and then just put them on. Now you can see how runny I like them, and with the cheese melted inside, it was really nice. And you just put your salt and pepper on them, or whatever you want, and yeah, I really do like them. They work well. They don't look like they work well in this scenario because of the case that I left them in. Well, I didn't leave them in long enough to make them hard boiled. So that was the egg poacher pouches and the silicone boiler little containers. So if you think you might need something like this, there will be links in the description. And we'll catch you on the next one real soon.